Paulius and Kunas, can you describe us how important is Beno Udrich for your team?
Well, he is very important for our team because he is very experienced, has had many important games, many tough games during his career, and we have many young players, so his experience will be priceless for us.
Do you like to play with him on the court? Let's say about the pick and rolls and.
Of course, I like to play with all the players who are passing the ball, and Beno is one of them. He sees the court very well. He can pass the ball wherever he wants, and he will help us a lot in this Final Four, I think.
Thank you very much. Good luck. Good luck. Thanks.